Very first thing we do with most of our patients is we say to them, all right, I need you to clean up your diet. So what does that mean? Rice, fish, chicken, fresh fruits, and vegetables, right? So I'm taking you off milk and milk products. I'm taking you off all gluten. I'm taking you off soy. I'm taking you off corn. All right, rice, fish, chicken, fresh fruits, and vegetables. I'm taking you off red meat also. And I want everything organic as best you can. So they yell at me for the first week and they say, well, what do I eat? So we work with them on that. We have a nutritionist on our team and help them understand what the diet should look like. And then the interesting thing is a month later, when they're feeling better, they go, now what? Do we still have to stay on this diet? Well, we can add foods back in, but clearly you're sensitive to a bunch of things in your diet. And just by cleaning up your diet, you started feeling a whole bunch better. So now you're going to have to make decisions. And those Diet Cokes, by the way, all the artificial sweeteners at this point have gone back and forth. Are they okay? Aren't they okay? We now know they're not okay. They damage the body. They damage the immune system. You shouldn't be drinking anything with artificial sweeteners in it. Period. End discussion.